Alright guys, if you watch the videos, you've probably seen this in the background. I am out of the Stellar Crown packs today, so we're going to go ahead and bust this bad boy open. Get us a nice little video out of it. See what we can get inside of this bad boy. It's a nice little promo card, not gonna lie. Alright. Well. Paradox Rift, and a Twilight Masquerade. Wow, that's definitely not the best tin in the world. But it's too late now. We've already gone this far, so let's go ahead and crack these packs open and see what we get. Oh, pulled two cards there by accident. Jeez, that was horrible. Okay. Comment down below, man. You guys get any Pokemon Center drops recently? I have missed out on every single one lately. I even missed out on Sam's Club, man. They dropped those boxes with the Lucario again, and I'm so mad I missed that again. Jeez, these cards are like sticking to my fingers today. Wow. Alright, absolutely nothing out of both of those. Well, let's hope for some last pack magic, I guess. Come on, baby. You guys believe in that last pack magic, dude? I don't know sometimes, man. Comment down below. Guess we're about to find out together. Oh, okay, actually, that was some legit last pack magic. I'm not even gonna lie. That's just a really nice card. Extremely nice card. The centering is horrible though. Wow, you guys see that? Whew. I don't know who cut this card, but they need to be fired. They need to do a better job with this, man. Anyways, you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll open up more tins and more packs like this. You guys have a good day.